We'll guide you through how to edit glow effect in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To master adding a glow effect using CapCut, first launch the CapCut desktop software on your computer. Click the Sign In button located in the top left corner of the interface. Choose the Sign In with Google option for a fast, streamlined login. Select the specific Google account you wish to use for your video projects. Click the Continue button on the Access Permission screen to proceed. Select Open CapCut in your browser's pop-up window to return to the app. Confirm you're logged in to access your cloud space and full features. Click the Create Project button to open the primary editing workspace. Select the Import button to begin adding your raw video material. Navigate through your folders to locate the specific media you need. Select the video files you intend to use for your edit. Click Open to bring those assets into your project media library. Click and drag your media directly onto the editing timeline at the bottom. Use the Split tool to cut out any segments of the video you don't want to use. Select the Effects option from the main menu bar at the top left. Click on the search bar, type Glow, and press Enter to find the effect. Click the plus button on the Glow 2 effect to add it to your timeline. Adjust the effect's duration by dragging its edges to cover the video from start to finish. Review your video timeline to ensure the intensity of the glow looks correct. Click the Export button located in the top right corner of the screen. Enter a unique name for your video in the title field. Set your resolution to 1080p within the export settings for HD clarity. Adjust the bitrate to a higher setting to maintain the best image quality. Choose H.264 as your codec to ensure the video plays on almost any device. Select MP4 as your output format for a balance of quality and size. Set your frame rate to 60 frames per second to achieve smooth, high-performance playback. Click the Export button at the bottom to begin the render. Wait for the progress bar to finish as your video is processed. Your video is ready, and you can share it directly or save it now.